If you're in a QA team, you already know the frustration you're waiting on development to finish before you can start writing test cases. By then, requirements have shifted, the timeline is compressed, and you're writing tests at the last minute. Walnut AI changes that. You can generate full coverage test scenarios directly from a BRD before a single line of code is written. And when development is done, those test cases are already there, ready to execute. In this episode, we'll show you how from generating test cases out of a requirements document, all the way through to running them, tracking execution step by step, and exporting the report. The document we're using is a BRD for Fresh and Homely, an order management and point-of-sale system for a retail business. It covers the full product catalog module, creating products with SKU, barcode, GST rate, category, pricing, and e-commerce attributes. It's a real-world document with real complexity, exactly the kind of input where manually writing test cases would take days. Let's upload it into Intelligence Hub and see what comes out. Go to Intelligence Hub, click the link icon in the input bar, and from the drop-down, choose your document source. Upload the Fresh and Homely BRD. Now, and this is the key difference from the last episode, instead of staying on the User Stories tab, switch the tab to Test Cases before generating. Click Generate. Walnut AI reads the entire document, understands the functional requirements, and gathers additional context by asking you which platform you are targeting, which areas you would like to target, and what kind of scenarios you want to focus on. By understanding your inputs, it generates full coverage test scenarios, represented as structured manual test cases. And it doesn't just generate happy path tests. It covers positive scenarios, negative scenarios, edge cases, boundary validations, duplicate checks, field-level validations, and the complete picture of what needs to be tested. Let's look at one of the generated test cases. This one is titled, Create Product with All Required Attributes, Mapped to Acceptance Criteria AC-CAT-001 and AC-CAT-007. The description reads, verify that an authorized admin user can successfully create a new product by providing all required catalog attributes, including SKU, barcode, GST rate, category, subcategory, pricing, and e-commerce attributes, and that the product is saved and visible in the product listing. The precondition is already set. The admin user role is logged in and has navigated to the product's module URL. Scroll through the steps and you'll see the complete workflow. The test navigates to the product's module, opens the Create Product form, and fills in all the required fields, including the product name, SKU, barcode, category, pricing, GST rate, and description. It then uploads a product image, completes the e-commerce attributes section, and saves the product. After submission, the test verifies the success notification, confirms the user is redirected back to the product's listing, and checks that the newly created product appears with the correct details. Finally, it opens the product to verify that all the saved information matches the entered values, and then validates negative scenarios by checking required field validations and duplicate SKU validation. That's one test case generated directly from the BRD. Now, select the test cases you want to keep and click Save. They land directly in the Test Cases module, where everything is clearly organized. Open the Test Cases section from the navigation, and you'll see them sitting in the list, ready to be opened. Click any test case to open its detailed view. At the very top, you'll see the test case ID TC_AAFB_004 and the full name, Create Product with All Required Attributes, AC-CAT-001, AC-CAT-007. Across the top bar, you have 5 tabs: Chat with Buddy, Test Data, Parameters, History, and Report. We'll come back to each of these. Below that is a collapsible test case information section. This holds the metadata, status, priority, and any linked requirements. Then the main working area, the Test Steps editor. You can see it shows 39 steps in this test case. To add a new step manually, click the orange Add Step button on the left. On the right side of the same bar are Save, Run, and Debug. Each step in the editor follows the same layout, a globe icon on the far left indicating the step type. In this example, it is Web, a checkbox, a drag handle to reorder, then a small icon showing what kind of action it is, Navigate, Verify, or Click. Now let's look at the top bar tabs. Chat with Buddy is your AI assistant for this test case. Use it to heal your steps, generate test data, or execute the entire test case. Test data section displays all the parameterized values associated with this test case. Any test data generated through Chat with Buddy also appears here. Parameters gives you a view of all the variables referenced across the test steps. Product_module_URL, product_name, product_SKU, and so on. Everything the test depends on in one place. History is a full audit trail. Who created the test case, every modification made, what changed, and when. Report shows the execution history for this test case, every time it's been run and what the result was. When you're ready to execute, click Run. Click Run, set the execution type to manual, and the execution screen opens. At the top, you'll see the progress tracker. 0 of 39 steps completed. 0 passed, 0 failed, 0 skipped, 39 pending, 0%. This is your live scoreboard for the entire execution. It updates in real time as you work through the steps. Below that is the step-by-step execution table. Each row shows the step number, step description, expected result, an actual result field for you to type into, a status dropdown, a duration field, and an attachments column. Let's walk through the first 5 steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Products module. The expected result is that the Products listing page loads and displays the table with columns for product name, SKU, category, price, GST, and status. You navigate to the page, it loads correctly, and you type your actual result. Products listing page loaded successfully with all expected columns visible. Product name, SKU, category, price, GST, status, and actions. Mark it passed. Step 2. Verify the Create Product button is visible on the products listing page. Expected, the button is present and enabled in the top action bar. You check, it's there, and you type, Create Product button is visible, enabled, and accessible from the products listing page. Mark it passed. Now use the attachments column to upload a screenshot of the page. Click the upload icon on that row, select your file, and it gets attached directly to this step as evidence. Supported formats are JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GIF up to 10 megabytes. Step 3, click the Create Product button. Expected. The Create Product form opens with all required input fields visible. Product name, SKU, barcode, category, subcategory, unit, MRP, selling price, GST rate, description, and product image upload. You click it, the form opens, and you type, Create Product form opened successfully with all required fields displayed, including product name, SKU, barcode, category, subcategory, unit, MRP, selling price, GST rate, description, and product image upload. Mark it passed. Step 4. Verify the product name field is visible on the Create Product form. Expected. The field is visible and enabled. You check, it's there and ready for input, and you type, Product name field is visible, enabled, and ready for input. Mark it passed. Step 5. Enter the product name in the product name field. Expected. The field displays the entered value. You type the value in, it appears correctly, and you log, Product name field accepted the entered value successfully. Mark it passed. Attach a screenshot here too. This captures the form in its filled state, which is useful evidence for the create flow. 5 steps in, 5 passed. The progress tracker has updated, 5 of 39, and the passed count is climbing. Continue through all 39 steps in the same way, logging your actual result in each row, attaching screenshots where you have useful evidence, and marking each step as passed, failed, or skipped. If a step fails, be specific in your actual result. Describe exactly what you observed versus what was expected. That detail is what gets captured in the report and makes it actionable for the development team. When every step is done, click Finish Execution. Once execution is finished, Walnut AI automatically generates a detailed execution report. You'll see the complete execution summary, including the overall status, total number of steps executed, passed, failed, and skipped counts, execution duration, execution environment, execution date and time, and the user who performed the test. The report captures every test step along with the expected result. The tester's recorded actual result, execution status, stepwise execution time, any associated test data, and comments entered during execution, giving you complete visibility into the entire test run. If screenshots were attached during manual recording, they're automatically included in the report alongside the respective steps as supporting evidence for validation, defect reporting, and audits. If any step fails, the report clearly highlights the failure, making it easy to compare the expected and actual results and quickly identify the root cause. This helps streamline defect reporting and collaboration with the development team, and the report can be exported into a professionally formatted PDF report that can be shared with developers, business stakeholders, auditors, or clients, making test reviews, sign-offs, compliance documentation, and release reporting much more streamlined. That's the complete test case workflow in Walnut AI. Generate test cases from a BRD before development begins, refine them with AI, execute them step by step with live progress tracking, and export detailed execution reports. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments. We'll see you in the next episode.